guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like a tabula ads or other like that things from your BLACKVIEW tab 12. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first way, by the settings. Of course, we have to open the settings. Then slide down and go to the apps and notification. Choose your apps and now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, the app that you not recognize in the name, just choose the app like that and click on install. Choose OK. And now it's time for second step. Go to the app list again and look for your web browser. Choose the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage icon and tap on the clear all data. Now tap on the OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download antivirus app, so go to the Google Play Store and find the best app for you. I'm always using Avast, so in this app we have to tap on the get started here, next and skip. Then tap on the continue with free, continue as free again and choose the start scan. It's time to grant a permission, so tap on the allow and click the switcher next to allow access. And now after the scanning process, all of the viruses, unwanted softwares, etc. should be deleted from your tablet. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.